Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number X102XX. 51,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Blue velvet metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Traverse is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 8. Cloth interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade. Seats full flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Ample cargo space behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Fold slide easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. To read gauges. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can sing smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a spacious glove box with the owner's materials inside. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 23 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.